How to back up iPhone photos in iCloud. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. This takes you to the Apple account screen. Proceed by tapping on iCloud as shown. Here, you can manage your storage and see which apps are using iCloud. Tap on See All under Save to iCloud to view the full list. You can view all the apps that are currently synced with iCloud. Scroll through the list and tap on iCloud Photos. On this page, tap the toggle switch next to Sync this iPhone to activate the service. This will automatically upload and store all your photos and videos in iCloud. Following these steps, you can easily back up iPhone photos on iCloud. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.